In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a directory listing website on WordPress using ListingHive, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the foundation of a fully functional directory site where users can browse categories, filter listings, and search for businesses. If you find this helpful at any point, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical WordPress tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is install the engine that powers our directory website. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, type ListingHive. You'll see the ListingHive theme appear in the results. Click Install and then click Activate. Now, here's something important to understand. HivePress is the brain that stores and manages your directory data, while ListingHive is the skin that controls how everything looks on the front end. Together, they give you a complete directory system without needing custom code. Once ListingHive is activated, the next step is to create custom attributes for your listings. In your WordPress sidebar, go to Listings and then click on Attributes. Click Add New. For example, let's create a phone number field. Enter phone number as the name. Then look for the type option and set it to phone. This ensures the system formats and handles the field correctly. If you want users to be able to search or filter listings by this information, make sure you check the box that says Display and Filter Form. This is very important if you want your directory to feel professional and searchable. Once you're done, click Publish. You can repeat this process to add other attributes like email, website, price range, or location. Next, let's create categories so your listings are organized properly. Go to Listings and then click on Categories. Here you can start adding categories, such as restaurants, hotels, services, or anything related to your niche. Simply enter the category name and click Add New Category. If you want your homepage to look more visually appealing, you can upload an image for each category. This makes your directory look modern and easier to navigate. Having clear categories also improves user experience because visitors can quickly find what they're looking for. Now that we have the structure in place, let's create the homepage. Go to Pages and click Add New. Name the page Home. After that, click Edit with Elementor. Once Elementor loads, search for the Listing Search Form widget. Drag this widget to the top of your page. This will allow visitors to search listings directly from your homepage. You can customize the layout, spacing, and design to match your brand. When you're happy with the design, click Publish. At this point, you've built the core of your directory listing website. You have the engine installed, custom attributes created, categories organized, and a functional homepage with a search form. From here, you can continue customizing, add listings, enable user submissions, or even monetize your directory. And that's it. That's how to make a directory listing website on WordPress with ListingHive. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming WordPress guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.